So when you sign into new to WhatsApp account on new device, a new phone, for example, if you backed up your chat history to iCloud, this is how the screen looks like, how you can restore from iCloud. So you can restore a chat history from iCloud. You will not be able to restore later if you decline to restore now. So you only have like one chance to do it. And then your media, which is larger files, will restore in the background after your messages restore. So yeah, you just need to consider that. And then here you just, if you want to restore or skip, so you just need to decide that. Because yeah, on new device, if you sign into the same WhatsApp account, if you had on another phone, seems your chat history will be different. So anyhow, then you can just skip it, and that's about that. Hope it is helpful.